రెడీగానే ఉన్నాను.
హలో,
ఉన్నాను సార్, రెడీగానే ఉన్నాను. వినిపిస్తుందా?
వినపడుతుంది మేడం. ఆడిబుల్
మ్యామ్.
వినపడుతుంది మేడం.
యా,
వినపడుతుంది. మేడం స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం మేడం. డైరెక్టర్ మేడం. భారత స్వాతంత్ర అమృతోత్సవాల సందర్భంగా రీజనల్ అవుట్ రీచ్ బ్యూరో అలాగే ప్రెస్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ బ్యూరో ఈరోజు మన భారత స్వాతంత్ర ఉద్యమంలో తెలంగాణ పాత్ర అనే అంశంపై వెబినార్ నిర్వహిస్తుంది. ఈ వెబినార్ కు మనకి ఈరోజు కీ స్పీకర్ గా, ప్రధాన వక్తగా మన కోటి ఉమెన్స్ కాలేజ్లో హిస్టరీ హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ది డిపార్ట్మెంట్ గా పనిచేసినటువంటి డాక్టర్ అరుణ మేడం గారు మనకి ప్రధాన వక్తగా విచ్చేశారు. వారికి సాధారణంగా పిఐబి తరఫున అలాగే ఆర్ఓబి తరఫున స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాం. వెల్కమ్ మేడం. అలాగే మా డైరెక్టర్ శృతి పాటిల్ మేడం గారికి, మా డీజీ ఎస్ వెంకటేశ్వర సార్ గారికి కూడా మేము వెల్కమ్ మేడం. ఇప్పుడు ముఖ్యంగా ఈరోజు ఈ కేంద్ర సమాచార ప్రసార శాఖ అంటే మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ బ్రాడ్కాస్టింగ్ ఈ 1 వీక్ కూడా ఈ భారత స్వాతంత్ర అమృతోత్సవాల సందర్భంగా ఆజాదీకి అమృతోత్సవాల భాగంగా రకరకాల యాక్టివిటీస్ చేపడుతుంది. అందులో భాగంగా ఈ రోజు మేము ఈ వెబినార్ ని నిర్వహిస్తున్నాము. సో మీరు వెబినార్ కి వెంటనే ఒప్పుకున్నందుకు ముందుగా మీకు నేను ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఇప్పుడు మా మీడియా అండ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఆఫీసర్ గాయత్రి గారిని మన గెస్ట్ ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను.
Very good morning to all. I, Gayatri, Media Communication Officer, Press Information Bureau, would like to introduce a guest speaker for today's session. Dr. Aruna Parite is currently Head and Assistant Professor for Department of History at University College for Women of the Osmania University. And Madam, she's also an academic counselor for MA History at IGNOU, and as well as G. Ram Reddy Center for Distant Education, OU. Dr. Aruna Garu has published many books and also written several articles for reputed journals and also contributed chapters for MA and BA and intermediate textbooks. Apart, she has also presented many research papers in various national and international seminars and also delivered talks on several platforms like All India Radio, Gyanvani, IGNOU, etc. Dr. Aruna Garu is also a coordinator for Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat and Azadi Ka Amritotsav at University College for Women, Koti. Madam, we are very much honored to you have ma'am today for coming and accepting our invitation and delivering us for coming us for today's session, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for accepting our invitation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you, Gayatri. Now I request our Director, Press Information Bureau and Regional Outreach Bureau, Madam, to deliver his inaugural address. Madam, Shruti Madam. Hello.
I think there is some technical glitch, sir. Shruti ma'am is unable to connect to us anything, sir. We'll just...
Okay.
We'll just wait for a few seconds, sir.
Okay.
Good morning. Can we make it bilingual by putting few English or Hindi words so that we new literate or illiterate in Telugu will be able to understand?
Sure, sir, sure. Actually, I was more comfortable in English, but since Haribabu sir requested me to speak in Telugu, so I prepared in Telugu, but I don't mind giving some English narration also.
Let it be English or English.
Yeah, sure.
Telugu plus English, it is English.
English, yes, English. That's what I asked. I told sir also. Can I make it English?
I will be with you up to 11:55. At 11:55, my secretary is going to take a meeting about freedom. So I will switch over to my webinar. Till then, I am with you.
Okay, sir. Maybe till then I will carry on with in English.
English.
And yeah. Okay.
Gayatri, madam, ready now?
Yes.
Madam, madam, our director, madam, I request our director, madam, to deliver her inaugural address.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody who's joined us on this platform today. I'm sorry, I just got disconnected for a while due to a certain power cut. I hope I haven't missed anything much. I just want to heartily welcome all our participants and our keynote speaker for today. And Madam has been kind enough to help us earlier also with our exhibition content and all that. So we are really happy to have this association with you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
It's my privilege. It's my privilege to help you.
Thank you. And we'll be glad to be associated with you in future too. Just to put this webinar in a context, I would like to just say a few things like this. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, as you all know, is a year-long series of events planned to celebrate the 75 years of the glorious independence of our country. And this has been an initiative of the central government, more so of our Prime Minister, who wants, who has envisaged this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to be a festival of each person. It should not be that some political leader flag unfurls or hoists a flag, or just a national anthem is sung somewhere and that's about it. It's about doing activities or disseminating information and bringing about awareness among the people of the country, which will make them have that pride, take pride in the glorious freedom struggle of our nation. And then after knowing all that, make them rededicate themselves to the service of the nation. So that is what the objective of the series of these events are. And this particular webinar is more important and interesting to us because as kids, while growing up, we all would have learnt about the famous leaders, Gandhi hue, Nehru hue, Subhash Chandra Bose hue. All these people, yes, even the school kids are familiar with. But here, today, we would speak about the prominent regional leaders who have in no way who have contributed hugely to the freedom movement. So this is an interesting aspect which we need to disseminate awareness among at the regional level. So I think our keynote speaker today would enlighten us on all this, and we would look forward to much more information. Thank you, ma'am, and I request you to please share your thoughts with us. Okay. And I thank all the people who have joined us today. Please carry on, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
డాక్టర్ అరుణ గారు వాళ్ళ కీనోట్ రాసిందిగా కోరుచున్నాను. సో మేడం వాస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది మేడం. ప్లీజ్ గో అహెడ్ మేడం.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And thank you, Gayatri ma'am, for your kind, brief biodata of mine. You have covered quite a lot of information about me. Thank you so much. And as Shruti ma'am has said rightly, that we are all celebrating this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And as part of this, we have, the Information and Broadcasting Outreach Bureau has given me the topics, role of Telangana in independence, freedom movement. Okay, Swatantrojamanlo Telangana Patra. They have given me this title to speak on. First of all, I would like to thank Press Information Bureau and Regional Outreach Bureau, Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Hyderabad Region Director Srimati Shruti Patil ji and Haribabu Garu for giving me this opportunity to speak with and share my ideas about the role of freedom movement in Telangana. And we all know that India got its independence from the British rule almost 75 years back, okay, in 1947. So we are starting from this March, 2021 to till August 2022, we are celebrating 75 weeks of independence. And as part of this, even we have, on behalf of our college, we have conducted several activities and in collaboration with the Ministry of Tourism, Incredible India, and this is, we are also looking forward to collaborate with you, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, to carry forward this program, which has been initiated by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, to bring awareness among the younger generations about the sacrifices that have been done by our freedom leaders. Okay, so many people, not only the people, leaders who led the movement, but also many people have sacrificed their lives. And it is very, very important for us to remember their sacrifices and also bring this awareness among the younger generations now, as we know that most of the children don't even know most of the leaders. So, as we said, this independence is endaro mahatmula tyagafalam ee swatantram. So British నియంతృత్వ నిరంకుశ పరిపాలన నుండి భారతదేశాన్ని విముక్తి చేసేందుకు 190 ఏళ్ళు అంటే 1757 నుంచి 1947 వరకు సుదీర్ఘ పోరాటం చేశారు మన భారతీయులు. దాని ఫలమే మన ఈ స్వాతంత్రం. సో ఈ రోజు ఈ త్యాగమూర్తులను స్మరించుకునే అవకాశం కల్పించినందుకు మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అండ్ బ్రాడ్కాస్టింగ్ అండ్ అవుట్రీచ్ బ్యూరో, రీజనల్ అవుట్రీచ్ బ్యూరో వారికి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను. సో నా ప్రసంగాన్ని యాజ్ డైరెక్టర్ సార్ హెస్ మెన్షన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ప్రారంభించమన్నారు కాబట్టి సో ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ప్రారంభించాను. సార్, ఐ విల్ ఆల్సో స్పీక్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్సో, విచ్ ఇస్ మోర్ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఫర్ మీ యాక్చువల్లీ. సో ఇన్ 1857 we know that the first war of independence, or the Great Rebellion, which has been called as, and at some places it is called as Sepoy Revolt or Rebellion, the Great Rebellion. So the first war of independence had begun. But even before that, there were many dissent movements against the British rule. The peasants, tribals, all this, people have started, dissenting against the British policies. They were expressing their, వాళ్ళ పరిపాలనని వ్యతిరేకించడం మొదలుపెట్టారు. సో అలాంటి సమయంలో అంటే కానీ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ థింగ్స్, ఈ ట్రైబల్ మూమెంట్స్ ఏంటి, పెజెంట్ మూమెంట్స్ ఏంటి, ఆల్ దీస్ వర్ లోకలైజ్డ్. Okay, so they did not get the enough focus that need to be, and since they were localized, so and they were being easily suppressed, and there was also no unity. Okay, so so as a result, they were easily suppressed. So these type of ఇలాంటి నిరసనలు తెలంగాణలో కూడా మనకి చాలా ఉన్నాయి, చాలా జరిగాయి కూడా. సో నేను నా పీపీటీ ద్వారా కూడా కొన్ని ఐ హ్యావ్ ఇంక్లూడెడ్ సమ్ స్లైడ్స్, సమ్ ఫొటోస్ ఆఫ్ ద సమ్ ఫ్రీడమ్ ఫైటర్స్ అండ్ who have contributed for the freedom struggle. So I will share my PPT also here. And so that you will know like who are these leaders. We can see their faces because I myself don't know many of them, and when I was looking at this, okay, these are the people who have really sacrificed their lives for us. They have tried to transform the lives of the people of Telangana. So let me share this PPT with you. Just a minute. Yeah. Yes. Can you all see this?
Yes, madam, it's visible.
Yeah. Okay. I will try to make it full screen. In case of the full screen, I'll just hide this. And, yeah. సో నేటి తెలంగాణ నాటి నిజాం రాజుల పరిపాలనలో ఉండేది. అది మనందరికీ తెలిసిన విషయమే. అయితే రెండో నిజాం ఐ షో